What's up everybody, Gabe Spencer, Accurate Roof Systems. Super hot here in East Texas. Today we're gonna do a silicone test. What is silicone? It's actually a liquid applied product that we put on top of any type of metal, flat roof, commercial buildings, anything like that. And it actually reduces heat and energy costs by about 20%. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This is a laser temperature gauge here. I picked this up at Harbor Freight. So you can see it's about 101 degrees outside today, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. If I shoot the metal side, you can see we're up here 125 degrees, 135, 138, climbing right up. If we come over here to the silicone side, look at this, 112, 114, 113, 111, still coming down. Huge difference. Guys, on a metal roof, it cools it off so much you can literally take your shirt off, lay down on the thing. Give us a call, 903-894-6418. We'd love to help you out. Like I said, any type of commercial building, flat roof, anything like that, give us a call. You can reach us on the web, shoot us a message here on Facebook. We'll talk to you guys soon.